Welcome back to Bazaar Morning Call here on CNBC TV 18. Well, it's a good time to tell you how to trade on the index. We have our technical experts who are back with us. Mitesh Thakkar as well as Shrikant Chavan. Good morning, gentlemen. Hope you're feeling good. Yesterday was a fantastic close to the November series. Will December spring a pleasant surprise, as been the case for the last many years? Mitesh, you go first. Tell us what's your call on the Nifty. Trend has been up. You can't short this index. But if we see a bit of a pullback, do you think then you should buy in, or do you think we should chase the opening?
Good morning, Nigel. I think the trend has clearly been up. Yesterday, we talked about heading towards 18,604, which was the intraday high. I think that should be done in a day or two. 18,420 was the swing pivot which the Nifty made when the rally was happening in the middle of November, which is around 15, 16, 17th of November. And then we crossed that yesterday and we continued the uptrend. So in case we get a pullback to that, people who don't have a long position, I think around 18,450 is the area to enter. Give and take 10 points here and there and keep a stop below 18,400. Having said that, 18,604, while is the pivot target, is the intraday high which the market's recorded. But the overall extension target suggests 18,750 and then eventually 19,000 plus level. So very positive. Any dip would be a welcome buying opportunity. Aggressive buying for people who don't have a position now, I think 18,450, 460 is the area to enter.
All right. It's well put, Mitesh. Shrikant, how would you look at things? I mean, if you get a slightly weaker kind of start, would you use that to buy?
Yeah. Good morning, Prashant. Yeah, certainly, I think we should look for adding long positions, because by crossing the very crucial level of 18,300 and 450 in one go, one thing is very clear that now the momentum is again going to increase in the short term. Wicks are at very low. So we can expect smooth upward rally towards the levels of 18,600 or 700. So the strategy should be to look for adding long positions. I think it will open somewhere close to its previous close. But then, as Mitesh said, I think we should look for adding positions with a stop loss very close to 18,400 or 350. But based on the overall statistics and based on the overall formation of large cap companies, I think we are going to cross the level of 18,600 very shortly.
Okay. All right. Shrikant, got that. Mitesh, run us through some picks then. Yesterday was a fantastic close. The problem is the broader markets are still not really performing. But there'll be plenty of stocks that are doing well. So run us through your list.
Well, Nigel, I think the mid-cap sector is not showing as much momentum as the large-cap space. But within the large-cap space, you will see most of the sectors, especially, IT, even oil and gas, started adding to the strength which was emanating from Bank Nifty, etc. So I think the large-cap space still looks healthy to me, and a very strong momentum can be seen over there. We have most of the calls from the large-cap space as of now. ONGC is a buy with a stop at 136 for targets of 145. HPCL is a buy with a stop at 217 for targets of 232. ICICI General Insurance, it closed around 1170 and 1175 is the breakout level. So buy about that, keep a stop at 1150. 1230 should be the first target. And on the weaker side is a couple of pharma names. We had a Cipla earlier. Laurus Labs is a sell today with a stop at 456 for targets of 435.
Shrikant, what about you? What are your trades?
Yeah, Prashant, as the markets are very close to the previous high, we should look for adding some large cap company to the trading portfolio. We like HDFC Limited, which is currently around 2700, 2690 sort of levels. From here, the stock can easily move to the levels of 2800. So it's a buy at current levels with a stop loss at 2640 on the downside. The other stock which we like is Adani Enterprises, and there also we saw some reversal formation in yesterday's trading session. So based on the overall formation, I think the stock is heading for at least 4,100 in the near term. We can keep stop loss somewhere close to 3850. And from the pharma sector, we like Jubilant Ingrevia. There the stock is forming some rounding bottom formation on long-term chart. So the stock was correcting since last 1 year, but currently it has broken almost all its important level. And in the short term, it has corrected to its important support area of 520, 530. So Prashant, it's a buy at current levels with a target at 570, 580. We can keep stop loss somewhere close to 520.
All right, gentlemen, we'll leave it there and come back to you a little later. Shrikant and Mitesh, appreciate both of you running us through your trading ideas. We are running up to market pre-open, 5 minutes away. We are back. We'll connect with Rajesh Sharma, Managing Director at Capri Global Capital, as Capri Global Holdings has bought around 19 lakh shares in Fino Payment. Stay tuned for that conversation coming right up.